Hi guys, it's me Clay Bomb. For today's video, I'm going to use polymer clay. I'm making the buns first, and then I shade it using soft pastels. This will be the sesame seeds. Now I'm making the putty bunny. I'm using beads for the eye, but you can also use clay. This is for the cheese. I mixed yellow, green, and translucent clay for the lettuce. This is for the tomato. I'm just keeping it simple. If you're gonna make it as a charm, please put the eye pin or the eye screw before you bake it. This is just an extra tutorial. I'm making a rose as a hairpin. I put a translucent liquid Sculpting to glue the clay and the hairpin. I'm just pinching it as thin as I can, and then place the petals like so. Bake them all according to the package instruction. I baked them for about 40 minutes. This is how they look after it's baked. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and comment below what you want me to do next. Thanks for watching.